In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Evernote from your computer quickly and easily. Let's get started with this straightforward process, ensuring you can create space and streamline your application list without any hassle. First, we'll begin by opening the control panel. To do this, you'll want to use a shortcut on your keyboard, which is pressing the Windows key and the S key at the same time. This handy shortcut brings up your computer's search bar, allowing you to type in whatever you need to find on your system. Once you've done that, go ahead and type Control Panel into the search field. You'll see the control panel appear in the list of search results. Click on it to open. Now that the control panel is open, let's navigate to where we need to go to manage your programs. In this window, you should see an option labeled Programs. Click on this to proceed to the next section. You'll now be in a place where you can see various settings associated with the programs installed on your system. Within this Programs section, there will be an option called Programs and Features. Click on this to access a detailed list of all the programs currently installed on your computer. It might take a moment for everything to load, especially if you have a lot of software on your machine, but this is where you can make changes to the installed portfolio of applications. Look through the list of installed programs until you locate Evernote. Once you've found it, you need to right-click on the Evernote entry. This action will bring up a context menu with several options. For our task today, you'll want to select the Uninstall choice from this menu. Upon selecting Uninstall, you'll be prompted with some on-screen instructions to guide you through the removal process of Evernote. Make sure to follow these prompts carefully. Usually, it's a matter of confirming your decision to uninstall and perhaps clicking Next a few times to proceed through the various steps. It's straightforward, but take a moment to read each screen to ensure you understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've gone through all the prompts, your system will complete the uninstallation process. And just like that, you've successfully removed Evernote from your computer. This not only helps in decluttering your system, but also frees up some space for new software or files you may need. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped streamline the process for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below or check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Have a great day.